Once again, hello everybody, and welcome back. We're going to be going through the Canadian Intermediate Math Contest, the 2014 paper this time. So, how about we just jump in and take a look at everything. Alright, this note actually seems a little longer than it usually is. So, a particular note, I don't think I've ever seen this no student may write the senior math and intermediate math in the same year. I think that might be new. I wonder why they'd place that restriction. Oh well, we're here for the question, so let's take a look. Part A, question number 1. There are 200 people at the beach, and 65% of these people are children. If 40% of the children are swimming, how many children are swimming? Okay. This seems like a job for a calculator, but we can also do this just with the basic definition of what percentages are. So, to figure out how many children are swimming, we need to figure out how many children there are, and then we can use that 40% of all children are swimming to finish the question off. So how many children are there? Well, there's 65% of 200 are children. Children. So we need to figure out 65% of 200. Okay, well, what does 65% mean? It just means out of every 100, 65 satisfy the children criterion. So 65% of 200 is basically the exact same as saying 65 100ths of 200 people. And that's a calculation that we can easily do by calculator or by hand. Because I notice I've got a 100 here and a 200 here. These guys are going to cancel out and leave a 2. So it's really going to be 65 times 2. And that I can either work out by hand or by calculator. I get 130. What is with me that I'm not spelling children right? Children. Children. Okay. So what was that other statistic? So 40% of the children are swimming, and we want to know how many children are swimming. Okay, simple enough. It's another fraction calculation or another quick press of the buttons on the calculator. So 40% of these 130 children are swimming. That's the same as saying 40 out of every 100 children are swimming. So as a fraction, that's 40 times 130 divided by 10. Well, we can bring these guys into the numerator. And we're left with 5,200 of every 100 children are swimming. Yeah, basically. So what do we need to do? We need to cancel out these hundreds. I notice that I have 5,200 divided by 100. These guys are going to cancel out. And I'm going to be left with 52. So 52 of the children are swimming. Okay? We used our 65% to calculate the number of children out of the total number of 200 people. And then we used the 40% statistic, the 40% calculation, to figure out how many of those 130 children that we found were actually swimming. 52 of them. 52 of them. And as that's all the question asked for, we're done. So a great start to the 2014 paper. And as always, if you like these videos, if you like what you're seeing, or you just like math in general, feel free to like or hit the subscribe button, and you'll definitely get some more content of this variety in the future. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video where we're going to be doing question number 2. So I'll see you all then.